Hey everybody, welcome to another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. I'm your host, Buddy Blackford. Today we're going to learn how to create work paths and shapes from type layers. So sometimes when you're working with a text layer, there's things that you cannot do, like adding paint commands or some filters or other things like that, because because it's not an image, it's actually a text layer. Now, one way that you can get around this is to rasterize the type, like I went over in the previous tutorial. But when you rasterize it, it converts it to pixels and you can't edit this anymore. What if you want vector data and to use paths? Well, you can do that by converting this into a work path, and you'll still have your type that you will be able to edit and fix up if you need to and change. So let's go over that, and you can see how it's going to be beneficial to do it this way. So go ahead and open up or start writing on some type, and we're going to go ahead and select our type layer. Make sure it's selected over here. So we're going to go to the menu here, and we're going to go to Create Work Path. And now I have a path here that has the actual, as you can see it there, has the actual data there. The actual path is now formed out of the letters, which is pretty cool. One thing to note is that a path cannot be created from any fonts that are bitmap fonts because they don't contain outlining data. So they have like the pixelated, those are the pixelated fonts, so you won't be able to create any outline data from those. So that's easy enough, and there's your path, and you can work with this path like any other path. It contains the vector data, and you're still able to actually work with the fonts that you have, and I can edit these, or you can work with the text that you have, and I can go ahead and edit it and make a new path if I really needed to, and if I screwed up, and delete the old path. So that's pretty nice. It's a little bit, sometimes it's nicer than rasterizing the text. If you don't want to deal with paths, or you don't need to deal with paths and edit everything, you can go ahead and rasterize and not have to worry about a path or anything like that. So that's all I wanted to show you, and be sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos coming up soon. So have a good one, everybody.